Today also, if you are starting your transportation business in 2026 and you are looking for the most reliable and the most fuel efficient means, like the best car or the this thing to use, the tricycle is the best bet. So in this video we are going to be talking about the full specifications and the price of the tricycle, that is Keke Napep in Nigeria in 2026, and we are going to cover the TVS and the Bajaj, which are the major models. So let's get started with the specification of the TVS tricycle. The TVS Tricycle is powered by 199.26cc 4-stroke liquid-cooled SI engine that delivers a maximum power output of 7.5 kilowatt at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque output of 15.5 Newton meter of torque at 3,215 revolutions per minute. It comes with both electric start and the kick start, and is available with 4 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, that is 5 gears, and it comes with a constant mesh gearbox. Its top speed is rated at 63 plus 2 km per hour. Then let's go over to the Bajaj Tricycle. The Bajaj Tricycle is powered by a twin-spark 4-stroke DTSI engine that delivers 7.6 kilowatt at 5,000 revolutions per minute and the maximum torque output of 17 Newton meter of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is a 198.88cc engine. The Bajaj comes with an 8 liters of fuel tank, but you know our drivers here, they will just buy 500 naira fuel and they are good to go because the fuel efficiency on the tricycle is top notch. All comes with hydraulic braking system, and aside from that, the exterior of these tricycles are very sleek. Most of them comes with entertainment systems on the inside, and the suspension are top notch. Then let's get down to the pricing. Like the price of a tricycle or Keke Napep, which is what we all know in Nigeria in 2026 right now, starts at 3.9 million naira and goes up to 4 million naira depending on the location and the where you are. You can always reach, if you need a tricycle at a good rate, you can always reach out to Alpha Luxury on 09043237566 for good brand new tricycles at an affordable rate. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. We are going to make a video where we'll talk about the tricycle and the minibus, which is best for transport in 2026. So follow us. Thank you.